Hello friends, and welcome back to Mrs. Carnes and Me. You saw in our last video that I got a drone for my birthday, so I thought that I would share one of my first drone flights with you. Thank you again for subscribing to our channel and making this possible. On this bright and sunny morning, Caitlin and I are up early to go eat breakfast with me at a very special event. Mr. Carnes has been a part of the Lions Club in Cape Girardeau for the past 22 years. We've had the honor of attending 2 different international events as part of the club, and this year the Cape Girardeau Club is celebrating 100 years of service.
Good morning, folks. Welcome to the 84th annual Lions Club Pancake Day. Hope you're having a great morning. Thanks for coming out and having breakfast, supporting a lot of worthwhile causes in our community. You a refill of your coffee, extra napkins, extra syrup, whatever it is, will make that the best plate of pancakes you've ever had. Folks, thanks again for coming out and being a part of the 84th annual Lions Club Pancake Day.
Subscribe and like to my channel.
Alright, Lainey. You ready to go to the bank?
Yeah!
Alright, let's do it.
What is this place?
This is the bank.
Poppy?
He's right there.
Poppy. Poppy.
What's going on, kid? Come here. You got a hug for me? Oh, I'm so glad you
And I love you, Poppy.
Oh, I love you too, little one.
And I love Gigi.
You love Gigi the most, I know that. She said I love you, Poppy, but I love Gigi the most.
Yeah.
Right.
I always do
Let's
that
let
when
Mom
I
hold
Okay.
want to play.
Alright. So, looks like that right there for now, okay?
Yeah.
This goes in here.
Yeah, ducks. And mine is. I'm gonna watch it.
So here, let's do watch this. So, push this in here like this. Push it all in there. One more. See if there's a couple more right there. Look at there. Oh, going up and up and up and up and up and up.
Look how it's going.
It's counting all the coins.
Coming down to your life.
No, it's going into the machine. Well, howdy there, partners. Today, we're on the way to Texas. Come on along. Mrs. Carnes and me are on our way to a new city we've never been to. We're going to journey to San Antonio and spend a few days there and see what we've heard. All the people say is a great place to visit. So that's our plan. Come on along. It should be a fun trip. So we've just checked ourselves into the Residence Inn in West County, not Westport. Don't confuse the two like I did. This has gotten to be our new little place that we stay when we come to St. Louis. It's centrally located. We're just a few minutes away from family on one side and the airport on the other. So we've just gotten to the hotel. We had a very nice sunny drive up from Cape Girardeau. So we're going to get ourselves settled in here and go get us some takeout and start our little getaway. Good morning, everyone. We are in St. Louis Lambert International Airport. I have dropped my Texas accent for this segment of filming. We are through security and waiting on our flight. We're going to leave St. Louis, fly to Houston, and then on to San Antonio. A couple things about our trip today. They're a little bit different. We are flying United out of St. Louis, which is an unusual path for us to take. But we're doing that because the Cape Girardeau Airport, the flights are in flux with United there. So we're flying United out of St. Louis. We are flying today on an Embraer, E-M-B-R-A-E-R, I think I'm saying that right, 175, which is a regional jet. We are going to do a little bit of a comparison with our flight today with the seating and the flight experience that we have today on United compared to next month what we're going to do on American Airlines. An Embraer 175 has a 1-2 configuration, so there are really no middle seats up front. We did buy first class tickets, so we'll let you take a look at those. The seats are a little wider. They're 20 inches long with a little bit longer pitch than what an economy seat is. They are not lay down, they recline. So one other thing we did a little different today is that we signed up for a Clear membership, and that's a faster way to get through the airport than what even TSA PreCheck has. Sorry, there's thunk going on over here with the folks coming through, but we signed up for a Clear membership today, which was a new thing for us. I will say that I think it will absolutely increase the speed by which we will get through security. Once we utilize it, they use biometrics to check you in. And I'll say this, the staff was unbelievably pleasant, very, very nice here at Lambert. I want to thank them for getting our biometrics set up and getting us through the line. That I will contrast that with the TSA experience that we had this morning. Not sure what side of the bed that young lady woke up on, but she was not very nice to Mrs. Carnes, and I am not very happy about that. But I'm going to let you know more about the Clear process as we fly the next couple of times, but I'm kind of excited to experience it and see how it goes. So we're going to get on the airplane here in a minute and head toward Texas.
Ladies and gentlemen, for the flight time, I'd like to extend our welcome aboard United Express 6114 service down to Houston. Flight time this morning, hour 30 minutes, cruise altitude 32,000 feet. Good weather for us today on en route down there. Forecast weather for arrival, clear skies, temperature about 72 degrees Fahrenheit. Once again, pleasure having you aboard.
So we stopped for a quick bite of lunch in the United Club in Houston. We have about 10 more minutes before we need to go get on our next flight, little hopper flight over to San Antonio, but we're almost there. So we stopped at the United Lounge because there were no snacks on the plane. I don't think I've ever been on a plane ride, no matter how short, that somebody didn't offer me peanuts or goldfish or something, but that was not a first class experience by any means. The lounge made up for it. The lounge was very nice, so we're going to go get on a little 45-minute flight over to San Antonio.
Perfect.
I haven't done it in a while. I like to stop at the duty-free shop.
I'd like to welcome you aboard flight number 6133, service San Antonio. On behalf of our crew of ourselves, we're showing a flight time of about 40 minutes. We're expecting mostly a smooth flight between here and there. Weather upon arrival, winds out of the southwest, 11, gusting 19, 10 statute miles, visibility clear, 80 degrees Fahrenheit.
After landing in San Antonio, collecting our luggage, and renting a car, we were ready to get to our accommodations. The first hotel we are staying at on this trip is the historic St. Anthony. Situated in the heart of the downtown and overlooking Travis Park, this four-diamond hotel offers easy access to many of the places we had on our list to see. This hotel opened in 1909 and is spacious with numerous spaces for people watching or grabbing a cocktail. I had the best time just exploring. Our suite was vintage-inspired yet very modern. Plush bedding, double vanities, robes, a lighted makeup mirror, and high-end bath products add a final touch of modern luxury to an already well-appointed room. There was a rooftop pool, and the view from our window of the city was amazing. Be sure to tune in next week as we begin exploring the city and eating at some of the city's best restaurants. Thanks for watching.